Where's your water bottle?
I don't know. I asked the chicken water bottle.
Oh, do you know what?
I got my bucket good. It's a juice water bottle.
A juice water bottle.
I don't know, Mommy. I can't know because my juice water bottle was again. Let's Tito.
Tito. You say hi?
Hi, Tito.
Hi, Tito.
Ah.
Mura mong yung nakikita siyang uyab.
You don't want any of them scarring you, do you, sweetheart?
Sige, tattoo.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. Today ay Thursday and it's currently 3:20 ng hapon. Ngayon lang kami magla-lunch break ni Daddy Mike, guys. Ayun pala si Daddy Mike sa labas o naghihintay. Kita ba? Kita? Hindi. Ayan. Ngayon lang kami makakaalis ng bahay kasi Daddy Mike was tied up in a meeting from I think 12:30 to 3 o'clock, no, 3:10 ng hapon. Kaya, yung usapan namin kanina, sabi namin, maglalakad kami pupuntang shops. Pag lunch break namin, mga 2 o'clock kasi matatapos na daw yung meeting nila. Guys, 3 o'clock na lang, hindi pa natapos. And then, naghintay ako sa kanya. Nung natapos na siya, ako na naman tong medyo busy sa trabaho. Kaya ngayon lang kami makakaalis. Nandito na ang aking mask. Ayan. Ang ating baby girl ay alam niya na kung saan kasi it is Thursday. May childcare siya. And we'll take advantage of the weather, guys, kasi first time namin na nagkaroon ng araw na ganito. Hindi siya windy, but it's very, parang warm siya dito sa labas. Tingnan nyo, nakalabas kami ng walang, tingnan si Daddy Mike. Walang jacket, naka-shorts lang yan siya, as always. And then, tingnan nyo, suot pala natin yung Mickey Mouse na ating, guys, shirt. Ang super ganda ng weather talaga, guys. Very, very happy with the weather. Daddy Mike.
Yeah.
How are you, Daddy?
I'm very good.
Huh?
Very good. Just,
very good. Are you happy? Because the weather is getting better?
Correct.
Yung weather namin dito sa Melbourne, guys, parang may 120 din kasi ngayon mainit, tapos bukas uulan. Actually, now it's a beautiful day. Pero bukas ay cloudy na naman, and then sa Saturday, sabi na it's going to rain and it's only 14 degrees. That's why, pag ganito yung araw, guys, lumalabas talaga kami. Ang late na kami nag-lunch break. Mamaya, pagbalik namin sa work, mga 50 minutes na lang, tapos na. Tapos na, pipick upin na naman natin ang ating baby girl. Oh, Daddy, did I tell you? My, leave got approved.
Alright.
The extra ones. So, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, guys, na may leave ako sa October 1 and 2. Kasi sa 1st of October sana ipapagawa ko yung hair ko. Binok ko to. Binok ko to before ko nalaman na i-extend pala ng premiere namin dito sa Melbourne, sa Victoria, yung stage 4 lockdown. So, by 1st of October, hindi pa open yung hairdressers, guys. So, kailangan kong, makancel na yun siya kasi hindi naman talaga open. Tapos, before din ang announcement ng premiere namin, guys, nag-apply din ako ng extension sa aking annual leave. So, instead of, yung Thursday, Friday lang na annual leave, kinuha ko rin yung Monday tsaka Tuesday. So, parang 6 days ba na wala akong work. Plano nga sana namin ni Daddy Mike na we'll go somewhere. Kasi akala namin tapos na, guys. Kaya, sobrang sayang lang talaga. Ewan ko, masasabi ko bang sayang, guys, ang aking leave? In-approve na ng aking boss, in-approve na ng aking manager. Pero wala naman kaming pupuntahan. Yung plano sana namin, punta kami ng Mornington Peninsula. Daddy, it's not going to happen now, is it?
No, I don't think so. Well, it could if you want to break the law.
I don't want to break the law. It's not even worth it.
It's worth it.
It's not.
It's only the law about like going away 5 kilometers. Anyway, I reckon he'll like maybe he's gonna reverse some of the decisions because like they did a poll.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, how many people agree or disagree?
Yeah.
And it was 85% disagree.
Yeah. Because guys, when did the stage 4 lockdown started?
I don't know. I can't remember.
Yeah. Kasi kami dito sa Australia guys, sa Victoria, sa Melbourne lang talaga yung nakaganito. Sa ibang mga states like South Australia, New South Wales, Queensland, ganun okay silang lahat guys. Pwede silang makaalis. Nakakaalis sila ng walang mask. Dito lang talaga sa Victoria, sa Melbourne, yung very strict lang talaga yung government, tawag dito, yung premier namin dito ba. Sobrang stricto. Tapos marami na yung nagagalit kasi gusto na nila yung freedom nila ba. Kasi nga daw, we have to learn to live with the virus kasi hindi naman daw talaga aalis yung virus kahit anong gawin mo. Kung aalis man, medyo matagal pa. Kami, matagal na. Ako nga, nag-work ako from home since March pa. Hindi na ako pumunta ng office. When did you start working from home, Daddy?
March.
Was it March too?
Yeah.
Nah.
It was.
You're months after me. Yeah. Anyways, so wala na talaga kaming kita-kita ng mga workmates namin. Wala kasi nasa bahay lang kami. And also, napansin nyo rin sa aming mga videos na wala kaming lakad-lakad. Well, naglalakad kami. Ganito lang. Shops. Kaya malaki yung pasasalamat ko sa inyo guys. Kasi kahit isang setting lang yung video natin. Hindi naman isang setting guys. Kasi lumalabas din naman kami. Pero bahay, shops, park, yan lang talaga. Kasi wala man kaming mapuntahang ibang lugar. Kung hindi lang sana siya lockdown guys, sana pag weekends kanyan lumalabas kami, pumupunta kami ng beach or parang mga adventure ba. Pero ngayon kasi lockdown, wala kaming mapuntahan. 5 kilometers lang, within 5 kilometers lang. So ano ba yung within 5 kilometers? Uy, dyan lang sa kanto. Dahil sa lockdown na to guys, nagsuot na ako ng mask kasi dumarating na tayo sa may mga tao na ba. So dahil sa lockdown na to guys, dito sa amin sa Melbourne, marami talagang naapektuhan. Yung mga small business, nag-close na talaga sila. So Daddy, what's your thoughts about the Premier's decision on the lockdown?
Well,
do you agree with it?
Not really. I think that the data that he's using is based on numbers, but he doesn't really give a story to what them numbers represent. So it's like the death toll, you know, it's really, the numbers really are made up by a certain demographic of people, which is the elderly and the people with existing health issues. So now that's not to say that the elderly and that don't matter, of course they do, but that's a very small percentage of the population, and they should be focusing on ways to protect the elderly, but you know, resuming life back to as normal as possible for the remaining 85 to 80% of the population, because what they're doing now really affects everyone, and I guarantee you, even the elderly.
Naapektuhan talaga lahat guys. Sinan niyo sa Daddy Mike ko. Kausap niya sa phone yung lola niya kasi birthday ng lola niya today. Pero hindi man pwede magbisita. Hindi kami pwede makabisita sa kanila. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Mike na baka pwedeng mag-Skype kami mamaya ba. Para at least makita nila si Paris kasi yun talaga yung nakakapagpasaya sa kanila. Alam niyo na mga matatanda, 80 years old, ganyan. Where's your bag? Paris, find her bag. There it is. Where's your water bottle?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yes, you do. Get your water bottle. What is it now?
It's this matter. It's for Paris.
That's for Paris. That's right.
I'm good for this.
Do you want to drink that water or do you want to put that in the bag? Drink the water first. Good job. How was your day, honey? How's your day? Come cuddle, baby. Hi.
I ate the chicken. What about it?
Oh, do you know what?
I got my bucket good. It's a juice water bottle.
A juice water bottle.
I don't know, Mommy. I don't know. Cause my juice water bottle was again.
Oh, yeah?
Look, this water here.
Is that water? Yeah, it's water. Mama can make you juice when we get home. Good girl. Cuddle them, Mama. Go, okay. Oh, these glasses fell down.
My purse is mine. That is mine. You guys can put my glasses.
Mom, put it on me, Mommy. Careful. Oh, thank you, Paris, Nicole. Josh, good job. Kiss us, Mommy.
It's my because it's mine.
Now?
Yeah.
Come on. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Emily.
Bye, Annie.
See in the mouth because it's dirty. That's a car key.
No, kiss a cookie.
Yeah.
Happy cha.
Temperature. Oh, Josh, don't put in the mouth. It's dirty.
It's my cars.
You ate today, please, honey. What did you eat today, honey girl?
Eat key.
Huh?
It's a key.
What did you eat?
It's a key.
Eat the key. What's that?
It's a key.
What's that?
It's a key.
Eat the key. Eat the key.
Please, my key, Mommy.
What's itiki, nak? Taka naman ka, nak. Did you eat beef pasta?
No, Uncle, I don't want it.
Oh, you don't want it? Oh, you had chocolate cake. Yes?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it. Eat it. Let's get it now. Drink your water na.
No.
Mama drive now?
No.
Where's Daddy?
There's us in there.
Get it, Smabe. I love Paris.
Teddy bear. It's coming.
Where is Paris? Peekaboo!
The car is coming.
The car is coming. Come on. Ay, di windy nagbaktas, oh. Na, ay, di windy nagbaktas, oh.
Not me, it's more.
Isa na?
Not me anymore.
What is it?
Not me anymore.
More? What more? Mama, oy, di kasabot. Come on, let's go see Daddy na.
No, I'm going to that on grass.
You want to sit down in the grass?
Okay, after
You don't want to see Daddy? No? Hello. Daddy will feel sad. Daddy will feel sad. Yeah, Daddy will feel sad. Because you're not going inside this yet.
And
Hmm?
this is so sad. That's so sad.
Hmm?
That's so sad.
It's 6:05 na pala ng gabi, guys.
That's so sad.
Yeah, that is inside. Yeah? Are you a cat? Hello, are you a cat?
Hey, look, that's your uncle.
Uncle.
That's
Is it Uncle? Yeah, say hi.
Let's sit down.
Tito. You say hi?
Hi, Tito.
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 Someone passed by, guys.
My
Ba?
husband.
Lalaki. Sabi ni Paris, Uncle.
Please come back.
Uy, ay, pa come back si Tito.
Let's come back. Let's come back.
She's going now. Did you say hi, Tito?
Hi, Tito.
Is he here, Tito?
Look, my son.
Hmm?
Don't come out of my favorite.
Paris don't want to come in yet. Mura mong gitsing nakikita siyang uyab.
Are you laying in the grass?
Yeah, she was sitting in the grass. Bob, someone passed by, Bob. And she said like, Tito.
My daddy.
Did you say hi to Tito na? Did you say hi to Tito?
Look at this one. It's good. It's cool.
Cool. Is it cool?
Come on.
Look at this.
It's a nice one.
Let's check out the what?
Grass.
Look. We're down. Look.
Thank you.
This one new.
It's a nice grass, isn't it?
This one green.
It's a very green one.
Hi guys! It's now 7 o'clock ng gabi. And tinan nyo, ang ating baby girl ay nakahiga. Si daddy pala guys ay kinakausap niya ang kanyang lolo tsaka lola. Kasi nga diba birthday ng lola niya today. And sinabi ko kay Daddy Mike na mag-Skype kami para naman na makita ni Nan yung apo sa tuhod niya oh. Kasi ito nakakapagpasaya sa kanya. Nakno? Guys, si Nan? So, ino-organize pa ni Daddy Mike, guys. We'll see if pwede namin silang matawagan sa Skype para magkita-kita kami. I can't remember the last time we've seen them. I think months, for sure. Months na talaga.
It's like this one.
Shannon pa.
Your hand. Go.
Your
tattoo.
You don't want any of them scarring you, do you, sweetheart?
Show your tattoo.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
Shana, anak!
It's beautiful.
Do you want to catch the
I
ball?
hope so.
I'll catch the balloon from another one.
Nearly.
Pa's got the balloon. Get the balloon. Oh, yeah, get the balloon off Pa.
What?
Can I have it?
No.
Can I?
Give it to Pa.
Is it mine?
This is for Paris.
This is for Paris.
Not us.
It's not yours.
It's for Paris.
Oh, it's for Paris.
It's for me. For Bobby. It's for Bobby.
It is now 10:30 ng gabi, guys. Kakalabas ko lang sa kwarto. Nandito kami ni Daddy Mike sa couch. Ayan. So, nakatulog na ang ating baby girl after naming mag-video call ng kanyang lola at saka lolo. Nakatulog na si baby Paris. Like, seriously, nagdidi siya, tapos hindi ko napansin, nakatulog na pala siya. Did you enjoy the Skype with your grandparents, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. No, I think they were very happy to see Paris. Like, forget about us, forget about Mike. It's all about Paris now, guys. Like, seriously. But it's all Paris now. You're erased. But yeah, hi Nan and Pa. I know we're saying hi guys because I know Pa and Nan is watching this video. They always watch our video. Every time we talk on the phone, they always have something to say. Especially Pa. He always have something to say because yeah, he's updated. He knows what's going on. And that's the reason why bakit ako nag-upload every day, guys. For them to see Paris as well. Yeah, and Mike. Because for sure they miss Mike as well. Because there's only 2 grandchildren, yeah? Yeah. So on Mike's mom's side, there's only 2 grandchildren, guys. Kasi sa mom ni Mike, si Mike lang mag-isa. So oniko iho. And then, may kapatid kasi yung mama ni Mike na lalaki. Tapos, isa lang din yung anak niya, babae. Kaya, dalawa lang sila. Kaya, as much as possible, gusto namin na, yun nga, makita ng grandparents, si Mike, si Baby Paris. Kasi, yun lang yung kasiyahan talaga nila, guys. I have to go to the other room, guys, kasi, alis na tayo. Bye, Daddy.
Love you.
Love you. I'm coming back. Listen tayo dun para maka-watch na siya. Uy, ang dilim. Nandito tayo sa kabilang kwarto, guys. Kasi itong box na to, pipick upin ngayong Sunday. Tapos hindi ko pa siya na-close. Ayan. So, bukas, si Paris walang childcare. So, plano ko na maglakad kami papuntang shop sa lunch break. Kailangan kong bumili ng packaging tape para ma-close na natin to. And actually, what I'm trying to do, guys, tingnan nyo. Kasi sobrang na-push na to siya pababa. Kasi, di ba si Paris, palagi siya dito sa taas. So, na-push na yan siya pababa. And, baka, ito sa plastic na to, ito yung mga damit ni Paris na, yung mga maliit na ba. So, nilagay ko dyan, in case na kasi pwede pa siya dito, guys, oh. Makakakasya pa siya dito ba? Pag ko, ipupush ko lang. Hindi ko na siya anuhin lahat, guys, kasi Alam ko parang na-push na yan siya ba? Hindi ko na i-open para ipakita sa inyo. Anyways guys, i-end na natin yung vlog dito kasi kailangan pa maghilamos ng atin nyo. Okay lang naman na medyo late tayong magising bukas kasi si Baby Paris ay walang childcare. So, mga 8:10 or 8:20, pwede pa yan. And also, hindi naman kailangan bukas na parang naka-aura ako sa umaga. Kasi nga, diba, pag Friday, nagmi-meeting kami, nagvi-video call kami sa opisina. And bukas kasi, yung yung manager namin dito sa Victoria, naka-annual leave siya bukas. Kaya kaninang umaga namin ginawa yung meeting namin instead of bukas ng umaga. So, okay lang na bukas, pagkagising, diretso na sa harapan ng computer. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa inyong lahat guys sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa ating channel and also sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Welcome sa inyo. Sana na-enjoy na yung mga vlogs natin. And now, we're just going to do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Ruby de la Rosa, Mad Brat, Cheng MBM, and also sa kanyang dalawang anak daw na si Tintin and Erich. Shout out to Waverly VIC Valcorza. Shout out to Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Chari Salazar. Shout out din daw to Yoli Duates and family. Eileen and Alexa Soganob. And also sa lahat ng mga silay noon, hello daw. Shout out from Chari Salazar from Makati City. Shout out to Norhaya Dapat. Hello Nor. Na-shout out na nagid ka Nor. Shout out to Ching Siglos from Iligan City. Susana Webb, Kane Bernales of London. Janzi Pinay, Australia. Michelle Pristine. Fritzy Joy Guatilara. Shout out din daw sa kanyang baby girl na si Aquila Trace Guatilara Mercado. Shout out to Iversuta 53. Ruth Morales from Siargao Island and to her 3 kids, John, SJ, and Queenie. Shout out to Luis Manalastas, Vicky Inot, Rosana Mansueto, Race Channel. Shout out to Helen Abiertas, Rosalyn Buenaventura, Susing Sales, Mary Jane Encina, Victoria Baptista, and Arcelita Clapano. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't, be careful. Bye! Mwah.